Let's go get it.
I also had a Yosemite.
I know. It's huge, huh?
First ring in.
I can't do this here.
She wants to go. Go ahead, Charlotte. Ask.
On this one, on this one. This one.
Yep,
What's your name, sir?
Steve.
Steve. Say thank you, Steve.
Thank you, Steve.
You're welcome.
Okay, good. We're walking it. Was a very challenging bike ride? No?
Yes. Oh, let's go.
So let's just walk that. This is about it's about 0.6 miles walk, so 1.2 miles walk the round trip. Redwood, humongous, right? That looks more like it.
Oh, yeah, it's a plant.
This looks more.
Grab onto the ground.
Did he grab onto the ground climbing up with a stick? He has to grab onto the ground. See over there? They got all burnt.
Right there, right in front of us.
Charlotte finally woke up.
Good walk.
Hi, Charlotte. You ready to stretch? Have her walk, dude. What?
Which one?
That one right there. That's the tunnel tree.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about all the captain Spock we left in a wasted planet. I thought I had it all together, but I'm waking up upset. You don't need to show your fairy love anymore to them. Can you feel the spark?
Hi, Jake. Hi, Charlotte.
That's the sparkles from my beating heart. So hard. Break it so hard. Break it so hard. Break it so hard. Break it so hard.
Keep going, Jake.
I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about how the captains left in a wasted planet.